Understanding how information flows and turns into digital content is important for people that are creative looking to bring an agency on. It's not as simple as making up an idea and throwing it into the website like many people do. So we've created this little roadmap that this is how we approach your questions and concerns about your website and improving it. First, we start with an idea. When an idea is formed, it's something that you thought of that would be great for your company. Well, instead of throwing it into the website and see where it ends up, the right process is to go and create a blog about it. Build the content, gather the ideas, create all the links, get something that is going to complement your website and your digital presence. Now remember, the idea is still the idea. It just turned into a digital version with a lot of linking and reciprocal linking and organized content. Once that happens, we then go over to social distribution. The social team manager will take that and review it and see where that content belongs. Is it in LinkedIn? Should it just be on Facebook? Maybe it's a great image, or maybe it's a do-it-yourself and requires Pinterest. Whatever that might be, he's going to design and create and move that information to that department. For example, it might be Google My Business. Well, that's going to be another department that will take that information or that picture or the content and turn it into something that's going to be able to be useful in Google My Business, which is Google Maps basically. When that's all done, it finds its place to your website. And that's where it's going to end up growing, and you're basically giving birth to an idea. That's why we use the cradle, the crib. And we're going to put it where it belongs in your website, not in the middle of it, not on the home page. Wherever it belongs in your website is where it should be planted so it can grow. And what does growth look like? Citation implementation, meta tagging, reciprocal linking, name, address, phone, SEO. All of this has to encompass that idea that has now evolved into digital content, and your website, when it's treated this way, will increase. And all of a sudden you're going to notice, like our last client said, well, everyone tells us that we're number one on everything. How can that be? Because a lot of this is being done correctly. It all happens behind the scenes, and now when somebody's searching for your business, your industry, or any content that relates to your online presence, you're going to appear higher than most unless they have paid advertising that they're using to push themselves above all of this work that wasn't happening. If you have questions about this, please call us anytime. Call my cell, 941-544-5000. Thank you.